We've given out lots of awards, but it's time to give out the special award for the best and the loudest burp. I'm talking the Burp Award. All night long, you guys have logged on to Nick.com to cast your vote for the favorite burper. The results are in. Two of the top finalists are here. Here they are, Jessica Alba and Steve Irwin. Let's bring them out. Careful on the wet floor, guys. Well, hi, Steve. How are you?
Right.
Hi, Jess. Good to see you. Are you guys ready for the best and the biggest burp you can do?
Yeah.
All right, we've got you each one can of soda. You got one burp, Jess. You're first. Let's go.
Let Steve go first because he's a crocodile hunter and he rocks.
All right, you want him to go first?
Yeah.
All right,
I'm
Steve, you go
intimidated.
first. Give me your best burp, buddy. Burp from down under. All right,
It's going to be a big one.
all right, Steve, you get ready. It's all right. Take your time. Oh, all right. Not the best, but pretty good. Jessica, get that gas going, baby. Oh, that's so pathetic. Give me that.
Rosie wins.
That sounds like a seal, doesn't it? Yeah, well, you guys have to vote. Jessica? Or Steve? Jessica? Or Steve? I think it's a tie. It's a tie. You're both winners. You're going to have to share this. Send it back to each other every month. Give a little speech, Dad.
I want to thank Steve Irwin for being Steve Irwin. He's the coolest guy in the world.
Thanks. What an honor. And I've only got one thing to say. Crocs rule!
Yeah! Woo! And here we got a really big burper right here. 1, 2,